This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies talk in Cookie Run Kingdom. To hear your beloved cookies, you first need to understand that their voices are triggered by specific actions and settings within the game. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the rich lore and personalities of your cookie companions. We'll cover all the essential steps to ensure you don't miss a single word from your favorite characters, making your kingdom feel more alive and interactive. To ensure your cookies can speak, first access the game's settings. You'll find this by tapping the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Once inside, look for the sound or audio section. Here, it's crucial to adjust the voice volume slider to a comfortable listening level, ensuring it's not muted. You can also fine-tune music and sound effects to create your perfect auditory experience. Cookies speak during many in-game moments. A simple way to hear them is by tapping on a cookie wandering in your kingdom. They often have a few lines ready. During story mode battles and cinematic cutscenes, characters will naturally converse. Completing quests and participating in special events also frequently triggers new dialogue, enriching the narrative. Don't forget to check your cookie house and other production buildings for more interactions. If you're still having trouble, first ensure your Cookie Run Kingdom app is fully updated. New versions often fix bugs. A quick restart of the game can also resolve minor audio glitches. Always double-check your device's system volume and make sure it isn't muted or too low. Remember, some cookies, especially those of higher rarity, might have a greater variety of voice lines to discover, adding to the fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.